Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reactivate your account on Unibet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in unibet.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Unibet website. Now you can proceed with logging into your account by clicking on the account icon at the top right corner, and when you click on login, you will be asked to enter your credentials. Now even if you have scheduled your account for deletion, you still have about 1 month of time within which you can log back into your account and it will be activated once again. So enter the email address that is associated with your account, followed by your account password that you set for your account. Then click on the login button, and as soon as you click on login, you will be logged back in your account and your account will be reactivated. If you cannot access your account with this option, click on Get Help at the top right corner and you will be taken to the Help Center. Now from the Help Center, click on Can I reopen my account within the right side, and you will find the instructions that you can follow in order to reopen your account. You can click on Contact Us and you will find the live chat option. You can click on this and then fill up your first name followed by your email address. Now within the message box, you can simply type in that you want your account to be reactivated and then click on the submit button. Once you do this, your request will be submitted to the Unibet team, and you will simply need to wait for a response within your email. Once you find an email within your inbox, you can follow the instructions within and you will be able to reactivate your account immediately. And there you have it. That is how you can reactivate your account on Unibet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.